Hi everyone. I wanted to feel confident and ready for anything in my home, so that is where this little device came in. This is the Taser Pulse 2, and it is a device designed for personal use when you need it the most. I love the upgraded, sleek, and textured design. It makes it super easy to grip and to handle it. It has a 15 feet range, so you can maintain a nice distance between you and any potential threat you might encounter. There is a built-in laser assisted targeting, which helps you with accuracy, especially under a high pressure situation, and also a light that turns on too, so you have more visibility. So what does this little device actually do? Well, it does an NMI, a neuromuscular incapacitation, which will immobilize an attacker for up to 30 seconds, giving you time to get away. Plus, it has a contact stun feature, which works best for close encounters, but just remember it only works if the cartridge is deployed or there's no cartridge in the device. Like right now, it is empty. I also like that you receive so much stuff, including the case, a little cover for your taser, two cartridges, and a lot of information, as well as a little target for you to practice on. So I definitely recommend you guys to check this out. It is such an important thing to have. It is compact and it gives me such peace of mind when I'm home alone. So if you're ready to feel confident, get your Taser Pulse 2 on Amazon today.